Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of content marketing. Think of it as creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content that attracts and engages people. So let's get started. First, what is content marketing? Imagine content marketing as a treasure box full of useful content that makes people want to come back for more. It's not about directly selling products. It's about giving information that helps your audience solve problems, learn new things, or just have fun. Over time, this builds trust and strengthens your relationship with your audience. But why is content marketing so important? Think of it as a powerful tool that boosts brand awareness, improves your SEO, and drives traffic to your website. In a world full of content, it helps you stand out. Whether you're a small business or a big brand, content marketing helps you connect with your audience, turning them into loyal customers. Now, let's look at the different types of content marketing. There are four main types every marketer should know. First is topical content. This is content that's timely and relevant to current events or trends. The idea is to create content that taps into what's happening right now. For example, if there's a trending topic like a major sporting event or a viral challenge, you can create content that ties into that topic. Think blog posts, videos, or social media posts that reflect those trends. A good example would be a fashion brand creating a blog post about fashion trends for a specific season right after the Fashion Week shows. Next, we have planned content. This is content that's strategically planned and created to align with your long-term business goals. This could include your editorial calendar with blogs, videos, and other pieces that align with your brand's mission. It's well thought out and helps you stay organized. For instance, a tech company might plan content around product launches or how-to guides that explain their products in depth, helping their audience understand and engage with their offerings. Lastly, we've curated content. This is when you gather and share content from other creators or sources that align with your brand values or industry. It shows your audience that you are plugged into the latest trends and are sharing the best resources with them. For example, a digital marketing agency could share interesting articles, case studies, or news from trusted sources within the marketing industry. This positions them as a thought leader without having to create all the content themselves. So, to wrap up, content marketing is a must-have strategy for businesses looking to engage their audience and drive meaningful interactions. Whether you're creating timely, planned, or curated content, remember that consistency and value are key. Thanks for watching.